favorite mzukulu wami.
Bazayami, what we're not gonna do is start this video. Umuzi ungcole kanje. Let's get to cleaning.
Abadala bafuna umsini majoritini petishini thola ama signature abadala bafuna umsini majoritini
Party don't start till I walk in.
Party, 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 shy party, 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 party,
And just like that, Bazayami, seku clean like kaya kushaya umoya, ngiyabonga ngokungicleanisa. Now we can start this video. Tawona Bazayami unjani, I hope you're right. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Mandisa Keswa, and if you are a returning subscriber, ishona mingoba wena kahle kahle we boza. And if you too wanna join Amaboza squad, kulula kakhulu, just press on that subscribe button njengamanje. We like before watching because I know you guys might forget, so please like a video manje khona ngizoqhubeka nginilethele namanye. On today's video we are doing another vlog. Yangijabulisa le vlog yanamhlanje because guys, there is so much that we're gonna be doing. Ngizoya emakhaya, we are attending an event with I Am Unumbuso on Saturday. We might go watch the movies with Umyeni. Kuningi engizokwenza, and I'll be trying out izinto engakaze ngizenze. So nje wena hlala nami. Namhlanje it is a Thursday and we have a nail appointment due because le nzipho sagcina ukwenza izipho nge-7 July ibhoza yami, and mina sengiqalile ngiyazidla angisayiceli, so we have to go fix this. I'm thinking of doing a buff and shine because ngilimazile while I was biting my nails and all of that, and in the process of biting my nails, which I'm not gonna advise you to do, I broke a bracket, like a bracket over, so we will have the dentist come like higher Ezos checker because we booked an appointment for today and go 4:30. I'm sure we're gonna change my wires, guys. The way I am so scared to try our colors abasha. For now I'm just sticking with gray. Please do advise if you have more braces, which color should I do next, or which color should I try? Guys, we are also attending the Z Nation festival, and in the process I am actually you see, I'm actually in the process of making an outfit with Zeketelo, so we might meet up with her. Sizokhuluma kabanzi ngento esizobe sigqokile. Kuningi nje okuzokwenzeka kule vlog. Wena nje hlala lapho urelaxe ngoba kusazoba mnandi.
Always another day. Damn, always another day.
It's about to go live and go 3. Hope you love it, and if you're watching this one, how about you want?
Kanji
done with my nails. I am so happy I got a buff and shine because that is what I do after like putting on my nails and I give them a break 2 weeks and I do a buff and shine. Normally does a buff and shine, so then usindile endlini usithengele ukudla, so I'm thinking of getting a matcha bese yodla ibhegas endlini. How do you pronounce the word ofla? How do you pronounce like I?
Plato.
Say Plato. Okay. So we are at Plato. Sizothenga imatcha. We got the strawberry and cream one. So yeah. And I really found it very sweet, kabang.
Yeah.
So this is it. And yeah, we are back emotweni. Asambeni manje siyendlini siyodla and then prepare for udokotela. Guys, iyasho matcha liyala. It's very nice. Please try it. They are at Florida, right opposite a McDonald's. So it's at the same building. I like shaking it before. I really find it very sweet. So the next time when I go there, I'm gonna specifically ask for them. I do me at Samaya. Zingumalo, take us home.
ngaphethelene ngangibuza ukuthi ngiphethe lento
We're back and we'll sithengele ibag and they are from Food Wagon. But ayibo apha ukuthi airline GTI. Oh, GTI RFW what isiboneke GTI ngizokushaya wena GTI. This is making me so excited. This is the burger. Guys, I'm gonna taste both the burgers. It's a shame. Can you make show you this? Hey, bo. I think the burger, I would give it a 6 out of 10. And especially for someone who loves everything just tastes nice. And then now we are tasting Airline. So Airline, basically the whole thing about Lama Burger, they're named after a motto. And like, I drive a Mercedes A200 AMG. So it's like Iyimi. And that was my dream car. It was either Leo or the i20 N-Line. So in Teganjalo, so now Airline. So Airline is basically a VW top specs icon. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is so okay. I think it's handy Airline because it looks like it has so many things. Between Airline and GTI. Okay guys, my favorite one is the Airline because bacon and the sauce and barbecue sauce. Anything is sweet, so sweets now. If you said Airline, you got it correct because you only Airline yebiza GTI ngokwezinga lamabheka. And manje singidlela ibheka yami Airline ngithule phansi sobonana mase kukhona udokotela. Boza usefikile udokotela downstairs. Uzoqala ngokhaya. Mina ngibade ngila ngizoxupha. So sisebenzisa le Colgate mase nalo. Amazinyo amhlophe. Manje sisebenzisa lo. Sifuna ukumzama naye. So normally I use ilona yam electric toothbrush yam. salon. And then i-floss yethu i-water floss, I use a water floss. Umlinge iwenzayo le mpahla le. I feel like amazinyo clean, but what's gonna happen? Udadela normally ukhiphe insimbi, make iphi insimbi siyamcela ukuthi sesifloss, and then ephinde sifake ezintsha eqinise bese efaka ama-elastic, different colors. So like I said, we're gonna stick to silver, grey. Okay, kade edla umoba wakhipha wonke ama-brackets akhe. How many brackets you lost?
Only one.
Edla umoba. Umuntu anama-braces akawudla umoba, guys. Yo. And then mina kade ngidla inzipho. Acrylic nails.
It's umoba, it's a nono. And waphuma mina ngusho.
Dali vlog la.
Ngidele ngobona pheka ngawuhalela ngathi hayi shit.
Baba. Thiwa uyawuqoba cabanga. Uqoba wenza ama-pieces amancane.
Kufanele uqale ukuhluthwa ngithi, kufanele uqale
Ha, uhluba.
Ngabe ngalenza ilungile kwami ngaphumelela. Ngathi lento yenzeka, hayi ke.
Okay, manje ngiye esingise-girl ngiyolungisa le.
Uyadine egoli manje.
Umhla ka-8.
Next week.
Uma ngithukile ngiyayilandela imfazi ongasala. Too much, babe. The burgers were very nice, especially Arline. Arline ke bewuvala. Ngakutshela ngathi mina angimthanda umuntu othenga into le emnandi esho sekuyeyami. Ngoba yindaba uthenga izinto ezihlukene ngabe uthenga ezifanayo bese ukhetha wena ukhethe nemnandi.
Ngaqala nami ukuyithenga.
Chithi aye yakhe ikulindile. Ikulindile.
Sengizothenga ikhona nane messages.
My sister just sent me this. Uti, you guys are subscribing to her YouTube channel, and she's so happy because she just received 414 subscribers. Ubehleli ku 200. Ngiyamtshela ukuthi icela bandla asidedelela ama vlogs, like she normally goes for gigs with abo ogolide. So we just want to see ukuthi, we're curious as her audience ukuthi kwenzakalani meni yakulezo zinto ama gig. Ngoba siyanibona ngo1 niyadlala la, ngo2 sendlala kamasho, ngo3 sendlala elive ngoba yabo. So I told her, advised her to do ama vlogs just to show us yabo izinto kanjalo. And right now I just took a shower, hence ama edges zami esehliphikile, and I'm feeling so cold. Yabanda. So what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna start editing le video le eniyibonayo. So I'm gonna edit usuku lwanamhlanje, and then kusasa ngilindele ukuthi sengizoqala usuku olusha ngili-edit. And I'm excited for the install. So kusasa we ended up deciding sinomyeni because he just left for soccer. We ended up deciding ukuthi asambe nisobuka imovie ngoba emakhaya sihamba late ngabo 7. So sizohamba ke sobuka uSpider-Man, and I really want to match, like ngqoke something themed so I could take cute pictures. Good morning, guys. I am rushing to my hair appointment. I'm not driving. I decided to request.
Come on, Nika, in man.
Guys, guys, we got lost because I just said wrongy. Already we were running out of time. Manje, we are 17 minutes in. Guys, we made it.
Where you going?
Yeah, in New York. Ngiyadala. Boza angisashonga ukuthi new hair, new week. Siya install angisazotransforma la. Story time of how I having guys on a story time. So Boza, we are doing a middle part, playing it safe. Uma kuthi ube funa ngenze ikhuthe ngiyasaba Boza. And this is the final products. Thank you, Mabuto.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is ACPC News.
Signing off.
Signing off.
Oh guys, we are installation Mabuto. Ngena nimbuki. Mabuto ngiyabonga, bro.
Oh, sasa sababa ke lan.
Thank you.
Fika mebonakalan.
Hey, plus ukuvela nebelly button.
Hey Maboza. Hi.
Oh guys, I feel so
Oh, ngaze
beautiful.
ngamuhle.
Ngiyabonga.
Ngathi anginazo inkinga.
Buka nje inkopha. Guys, iziningi izinto engiyithanda ngoMabuto. uMabuto for sure seyazi manje ukuthi ngiyamthanda.
Ngathi ngihlushwe indoda.
Buka ama-lashes akhe nama
Ne-hairline iyavuma ngazifuna ukuthi angihambe icala divorce.
And then ama-piercings akhe, isitapa sama-piercings akhe,
Nama-tattoo.
nengalo yakhe, full arm yakhe.
Nebele elimile likhomba utsotsi. Agcina kubhala sihamba umhlanga.
Ngiyabonga bro, yo, Nkosi ngababa. Semele sikhokha amadrillion-ke guys, akubizi like haya.
100 trillion and 1788.
Boza. Yes, angakhuluma. Yes.
Ngoba wenza lento usuke usuyazi into zekhuluma.
Yes.
Sanda ukuna usele so.
Oh, really? Ma, siyabonga. I come back.
So that's why.
Boza, I am back and I feel so cute. You guys deserve a quick OOT. I'm reading something that is posted by Utransneds after the trend that we did. I also jumped into the trend. This was my picture where ngingena in night shift. Babo colleague on my comment section. Anyways, they posted about Transnet has seen the recent online trend about joining the Transnet family, and we are encouraged by the enthusiasm shown by so many South Africans. Izwak. At Transnet, we believe the future of our organization lies in the talent, passion, and potential of South African people. We remain committed to creating genuine career development opportunities that empower the next generation to help move our country forward. As excitement around employment opportunities grow, we also want to remind the public to remain vigilant against ama-recruitment scams. Yes, wonke umuntu useyaposta ukuthi uqashiwe ka-Transnet. Khona bangaboni ukuthi kuyadlalwa. Khona ungisendele i-email nje wathi Boza, ngiyacela bandla congratulations, ngibonile upostile ku-TikTok, kodwa sacela bandla ungisiza nami ngama-post. Yabo khona bangaboni ukuthi kuyadlalwa. So bathi-ke Transnet will never ask for money, a bribe or processing fees or any form of payment in exchange of employment opportunities. If anyone requests payment to secure you a job at Transnet, they are acting fraudulent and do not represent our organization. If anyone asks you to pay for employment at Transnet, it is a scam. Before applying for any position, always verify that the vacancy appears on our official websites. Now you get websites, it's www.transnet.net/careers. Ngizobuye ngiyifayina ku-description. Osiyami abasibophi nje ka-Transnet bayasho nje ukuthi kuyo yonke lento singabe sekudlalwa ngabanye nkosami bekhokha imali. So shout out Asameni Boza siyopheka silungiselele ukuya ekhaya. Uthiwa ngiphathe nezingubo zokulala. Ufuna ukuthepha?
Remember, even nobaba kade etshena ukuthi nawe uqashiwe usebenza khona. So there are people who doesn't know.
Ha, umyeni upostile.
WhatsApp. And every time I tell you ukuthi unkosikazi umakoti ethu usebenza lapha.
Ka-Transnet. Ngizobashaka oddly fix. Spider-Man uzuphumile.
Sino connection.
Ay.
Aisha.
Uno connection. Ungasonile awucimele lento Okay guys, so hamba sombuka nje kahle uSpider-Man ayikho phela lento le ayikho. Boza, I'm almost done packing. I had to pack a lot of makeup. Unombuso leke asitshelile ukuthi siphathe. And then they said we shouldn't bring any brushes, so angeke ngiwaphatha ama brushes. Manje ngizodla. Sengidla ukudla kondlela. I just ordered uPedro's. Ikona ukudla engizokudla. The next time I eat, ngizobe sengidla ekhaya. Nathi sambe phela sambe. First have the first sip, then mouth tell on bed. There are parts of my house that you guys don't know, and I want to really go into the journey of fixing the house. Not fixing the house, but we renovate her and stuff, and I want to take you guys along. Manje intambama, I'm still busy packing, almost done. On a meeting with YouTube. Guys, this is a YouTube creator program. Esikhethwe kuyona Boza yami, and ngijabulile inhliziyo yami iyachichima because what do you mean? Bakhethe thina out of ama-creators amaningi, and I noticed ukuthi only 4 creators but South Africa ngisababonile. And if you are also a creator and you're part of Leah Bootcamp, it's called Ea Hamza. Just tell me down below in the comments. So we are learning so much. Currently basasifundise go YouTube live. They're teaching us how to maximize monetization. They're dropping new features that I will introduce to you guys. So we get to do our homework, and YouTube us promise ukuthi khona izinto azosendela zona. this is gonna be my content room. I want to make this a content room. We have a bed here. Manje no bed unezinto ekhona. And then the other room there's an office space for umnyeni. So I want to make that nice. I don't know. I want to make that nice and then izansi fix izinto lapha garage, like have like a nice organized garage yabo ayi ukuthi siyabeka nje izinto. But angithi wena uzohlezi ukhona kuma vloggets, so uzobana yonke into asambeni sekhaya manje sekuyahlwa. And le meeting into engithanda kakhulu ukuthi they always keep my recording, so if I miss anything yabo they will always be on recording. Bathe bahamba ngo7 and this is the time njengamanje. So Boza, I'm trying to find an outfit engizogqoka for Saturday. I like this top, but I don't know. Oh, ngigqoke le vest. Ngilifake ne coat. I feel like now I'm looking a bit too casual. This is the theme. Actually, this is another thing why I also liked lemhlophe ukuthi it makes sense. Missing violent emhlophe yala because my hair is touching my face. Okay, I found it. This is the thing I was talking about. Guys, this is not how it's supposed to be sitting, but yeah. Okay, I like this look. Ngilibuke missing ifake neqathula. Yeah. Okay, Boza, this is the third option. Let me show you. It's a skirt. I'm a coat. Avela kahle kanjani? Love it. Okay, officially sasitoli outfit sesigqoka, jewelry, everything set. I am going to take a shower now and freshen up. We're literally spending one night and we're coming back ekuseni to the class here. I am the class at 9, so I need to be in Durban. Clapping 8:30. Siya Emahlongo, which is 45 minutes away. This is the time. Ekhaya, my brothers are nowhere to be found. I was trying to call them because guys. So I'm kind of delaying the process for the ladies because I'm like, where are the brothers? But see, my phone. So I'm just blaming it on my brothers because I want them to drive for me. I'm born in Busuku, so I kind of don't like driving at night. I'm gonna make a short distance from Naindlini to Ekhaya, but if not, I'll have to tough it up and do it for everyone. So I can't wait for you to see me. Praising in my car. I prayed. I saw myself driving this car. And namhlanje kunje kwenzaba kwenza uNkulunkulu. So ngiyohlezi ngimbonga. Yeah. Usofikile? Ngifike. Thi break iqala nini? Hi Joyce. This is my mom, guys. Njobe mfishane nje umawethu lo, umamncane wethu lo. And then uG beno skoni. Usiphathe lo skoni. She was calling my angels. It's no skoni. Abadla. Kono abadla noba? Hello, my Boza squad. So we have a garage stop checking the car. What's it, righty? Sifake upetrol. ready for the long distance. I think ukuhle uzodrive manje. And then kuthiwa siyaphathisiwe sibhaziswe ikhehla. Kumele sidlule sithenge iKFC. So we're not gonna buy it here in Newlands. We're gonna buy it at Ultra City. And then hopefully just bayangikhumbuza ngoba sofika singaphethe iKFC. Mesadlule Ultra City. So nje angeke sikhohle. Jisa uthenga ngimgabhe uchocolate wami uthe uzothenga izinto ezimnandi ezomgabhe. Sengifuna ukumbona ukuthi uthengeni. Na uchocolate emgabheni ngifuna ukupha snow. Ezuthenga?
Popcorn. Ngizengizini. Ngathenga liquid fruits.
Encane. Sophuza kanjani phothini?
Uza nobani? Ngikuqalisela wena manje azizwidi. Yena sikhohlakani. Chocolate. Ngitshelile ngathi
Ijuice encane kanjena uzophuza wedwa. Ngabe uthenga into eswephuza 47 rand ubungathenga nje eswephuza sonke. Noma iyakhwili siphuze sonke.
kahle sangaba kwelinye igarage ngithenge.
Bathengelile.
Bengicedile ubheke mina solmesi yami ubheke.
Thank you. Nami, I got sparkling water. Oh, just utholeni. Wasa. Wena uthengeni uphaya? Uzodla uphaya emotweni yami? Usangene. Yahlanya. Ukuhle. Unwami mnandi uphaya. Kumele ungilungise khona ngizowudla ke emotweni yami. Ema lights ayavuma ubonile nje? Ngikubonile la. Asha. La ngangishutha khona.
Ale ngathi ngaba uthutha la.
Ayibheka amantombazana amfunani kwilava yamizolo. Yo. Ayiwani. Translate.
Awuqeda pho.
Ngivuma lento silo.
Namanga mayibo. Lawa ziyakubuka.
Lapho yimbini lento silo. Ngathi ishumi. Ngitesta ngathi ishumi. Sizodrive yena. Ukuhle uthengele ujiye uphaya. Manje kujiye ngekwazi ukuthi uphaya la. Ngiyamsiza. Nani mase nemoto nizobona ukuthi uphaya udlula emotweni. Awe manje akekho umuntu osebangcolisa imoto yami njengawe uchitha ama-chips ngalela langa ayiwanyanyisa shame. Lapho ngangiya khona abantu angangiyobabona mfethu sebevula imoto baphoxekani imoto iqinile emuva bathi sengiloyo ngichaza lapho ngiyaqana ukuyibona lo sengiloyo ngichaza into ngithi yebo ngiphume esontweni iy'nkanzi sekhaya futhi
manje nzolo banamaqono bazobosha lapho banamantheka nje kuphela njengekopha
I'm putting you guys on ihewe lincane. So boza sise Ultra City silindile manje just made an order ka KFC sithenge into encane esizoyiphatha siphathise isithunyiwe. So now and we are live on TikTok. Pakete. Guys ngikubona mina ipakete lama wings bengazi nje ukuthi likhona ngicheck. So leli ipakete aleli ngeke ngilikhiphe guys.
I-price be 400 bani. Hayi kodwa nawo khona futhi 24 wings. Nangathi mazojabulana banogogo bebathana. Ngefavorite yami.
Ingane nezidla ama wings. Sithale uwe ngaloza ngosuku
Singamanda. Emane.
Hey, ngeke guys. Lizoma la itende lomshado. Kuthiwa mase ukala liyaphuma itende lomshado la. Hayi bo Jesus wamkhulu mfethu. Niyagijima shame. Siphuma na KFC kade siyothenga. First time. Mana malu. We are good. Guys, kwakhiwe uRawondi ekhaya and siyaqala ukubona. Stepping inside for the first time, kabanga. Wow. Hey, bakwaze kwakhulu guys. Yo. Oh, nice. This is so nice. Oh, this is so beautiful, guys. It's so big. See view what obona. Guys, when you're here, you see the ocean. Oh my God, we even have an ocean view. Kabanga. Oh, this is so beautiful. And it's so big. Like menga cabanga si inkulu kangaka. Asingene phakathi sobona ugogo no ma. Hi Phakazazo. How are you? It's hello vlog. Hello vlog. Yeah, Abel. Yeah, please. Hi, Snow. Hi, Snow. What was that?
Manje ngingakakhohlwa ngifuna ungenzele letho.
Oh, somebody Mayu. Hello.
Ngifuna ungenzele letho.
Yeah, Mayu.
Mkhulu wakho.
Oh. Okay. Ay umkhulu webaba yoma. Ha. Hayibo webaba. Eh muhle. Yo. What's ngimbo?
Kokuncane.
Uphilana malume? Hawu gogo muhle kanje. Nangu gogo.
Yambona ugogo.
Yo kubo bonke labantu yena omuhle gogo. Ima ubaba bakama. Ula. Sanvezi oya. Ubima uyafana lo muntu oda nawe. Uyena. Umbuko gogo muhle kanjani? Oma laba ipromise.
Ngane lo nokhesi.
Ima babeshada awungiphile ungangiboni. Ngeke. Hey bro, hi Bobby.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
Wema, yabona ntonsi kanje? Iyafana nobabeni. Lethe niyenza nithi naye uthe kanje. Yambo muhle kanjani Jos?
Ziphuma Playton.
Hey bo. Siphe sinye malume.
Asizenzeni sifakela sizikhe.
Wow.
At that time.
Yabo la ufona nomalume Siphiweke la? Eh. Ufani? Ufana no Lon. Oh, Banil. Hello vlog, hello maphosa bingala maphosa. Iphosa enkulu nawo ngamaphozo uAntwam lo. Ngiyaphila. Manje wenza ngathi sithombe ngoba uyazi.
Kade ngamtshona ubhuti wami.
Ha. Ibona abancane. It's hello maphosa squad 1 2 3 go.
Hello maphosa squad.
Love ibona abancane guys. And then there is my gaga.
Mina ku favorite mzukulu. Isho gogo. My favorite mzukulu. Isho.
My favorite mzukulu wami.
Akafoswanga guys, akafoswanga uthe es.
Yes, uthikile.
Yeah. Ungibuka?
Ngithi lo faka ibuko useduze faka ibuko ngithi
Siyangibona. Ngiyabazi. Yes, no. Kabuzo what? Hello, Maposa Squad. Nangu Tali. Hello, Tali.
Hello, Maposa Squad.
Hello, Maposa Squad. Nangu Tali.
Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi sakhuliswa ngumthandazo la kakheso sakhuliswa ngumthandazo ngizocela nje sibe nomkhuleko omncane ukuze into zethu yivuleke siyale bese sibuya siphinde sibe nomkhuleko ngathi inkosi ngasisiza ukuthi esikwenzayo kube yikona.
Abantu abami ngiyanibingelela nami ugogo la ekhaya ngiyanibingelela nonke kuyivela kancane okwenzeka namhlanje kube singakulindelanga singakulanekanga thina kodwa umalume ngoba ubesezweni kufanele kube khona ube sihlangane sibe umndeni. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Nkosi sizohamba, sizohamba ebukhanyeni bekhaya. We are marching in the lights of God. We are marching in the lights of God. We are marching, we are marching in the lights of God. Uyayizwa God? Noma nginyuse kancane uzogwala abaza wena sibabaza wena wababisa bonkulo wangena babakheli nawe wathi vuliyeza ongena nowa wababisa bonkulo wangena babakheli nawe wathi vuliyeza ongena nowa Noangena uliyeza ongena noa Noangena
We're having so much fun emakhaya kade sagcinana. We are singing, we are praising. Kumnandi nje okay so bahlangene. And to think of it ukuthi mina ngizohamba ngiyogana. Ngishiya abantu bala I don't know, do you come back? Somebody ngibuza like do you come back when they have like imicimbi ceremonies? Do you come back and ucele kamkhonyana ukuthi ngisacela kuyovakasha kamnyeni? Ningitshelela kwama comments. I don't know how they do things like that, but ngizohamba ngiyobuza because I'm curious. Anyways, ngicela ukubona kusesekuseni ready ugeze sovuka ngo6 siyahamba. We should be in Durban by 8 and we are preparing for event I am uNombuso makeup session. Make sure you bring ama makeup akho so kuthiwe siphatha ama foundation ama concealer and sonke lezo zinto asiwaphatha ama brush yonke enye into soyithola khona kodwa basitshelile yini they wrote like a list of things and namafeni ngiphethe zonke izinto and I really hope I'm not going to forget anything. Yeah, okwamanje good night boss. I am
Morning vlog. Morning guys, we have this kosha makatha because just it's Tibin, so we're having the chicken manja. I'm thinking that Boza, we're heading to Durban now. Oh Jesus, I still need to iron. Missing pooper so one days lang yakon. Anti alam lam gil kupuguti. We calling 6 only on Wednesday. I'll go on Wednesday namhlanje. Saturday. Mina ngishilo. Yabo letho le umuntu alam ngisho ngasasonga esikoleni khali.
So guys, nambe ngikuphela 7 kodwa ngivuke ngo6 something.
So yeah, asambeni into engizobe ngigijima.
Hello my Buzzer Squad. We are back. Especially Snow Black. This is the time I have 30 minutes, literally 30 minutes to get ready. Ngigeze. Uthando sabazongisiza. I have to iron my hair. I have to iron. Uningi nabo baya esikoleni nje babedla. Black he is going to he has a gig. Sabona Pozayami, this is editing Mandisa. I am busy Lana Angilele. This is the time. It is 2:45 Kabanga Exeni. And I really want to give you guys the best experience when it comes to vlogging. And I feel like if this vlog continues, because we do arrive in Durban with my siblings and then I get ready for the I Am uNombuso class. And ngobale vlog isi already 47 minutes shonale ngizobe ngayenzi justice enough ngoba iclass laNombuso guys takes us as a beginner, like step by step ukuthi uyifunda uyenza kanjani makeup, and I really want to show you guys all the full details. So I'm deciding to end this video here and start a new video with Iklasla I Am uNombuso. And then we did go to the movies. We eventually did go to the movies. Simbonelo Spider-Man. You're gonna see that on the next video. And then I really want to start editing the C Nation vlog because nayo kugcwele kuningi and I want to show you guys yonke into. Okanamhlanje Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngokubuka until the very end. Ulungile. Bye. I'm gonna see you kusasa. Ngizodropa le kusasa message drop I Am uNombuso. Mase ngalila langa. Sengiyotshela yinina la kwama comments ukuthi ngifuna ndrophe nini ama days and the times. Yeah. Usamile. Bye bye.